This video is to help you with number 2 on CR helper number 29. It says in the diagram below, ABCD is a rectangle, ACDE is a trapezoid, BC equals 6, AC equals 26, so they tell us the distance from A all the way over to C is 26 units. DB equals 8. Find the area of the trapezoid. Label the missing pieces of this trapezoid. Okay, so in 6th grade, the way you find the area of trapezoids is to decompose the trapezoid into a rectangle and a triangle. They've already actually done that for you. So to find the area of the trapezoid, you will find the area of the rectangle and add it to the area of the triangle. So your area of your trapezoid is equal to the area of rectangle A, B, D, E plus the area of triangle C, B, D. And when you add those two areas together, your rectangle and your triangle, you'll be able to get the area of the entire trapezoid. So first of all, you have to know your formula for the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is base times height, or length times width if you prefer. Plus, you have to know the formula for the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Oops. 1/2 times base times height. And this would be the base of your rectangle times the height of your rectangle for the area of a rectangle. For the area of your triangle, it will be the base of your triangle times the height of your triangle. Okay, so it's important to know this B is not the same as this B. All right, so for our rectangle, we have to figure out our base, which would be that, times our height, which would be that. Okay, well, I can see if BD is 8, AE would also be 8 units. I have to know what AB is because that would be the base or length of my rectangle. So to find AB, I know AC is 26, BC is 6, so AB must be what plus 6 gives me 26? Oh, 20. All right, so now I know the base of my rectangle is 20 times the height of my rectangle is 8. So for the area of my rectangle, I just do 20 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 2 is 16. So that must be 160 square units, or units squared. It would mean if I was going to actually find how many squares would fill up this rectangle, it would take 160 squares to do that. Then we're going to add that, and we're going to do 1/2 times the base of your triangle. Well, the base of our triangle is CB. That would be 6 units times the height of your triangle. How tall is your triangle? Your triangle is 8 units tall. So that would be 1/2 times, what's 6 times 8? Oh, 6 times 8 is 48. Half of 48 will be 24. You could always do half of 48 is the same as taking 48, dividing it by 2. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract off. Drag down your 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. So half of 48 is 24. So this would be 160 square units for your rectangle. And how many squares would it take up to fill up your triangle? Well, it would take 24 square units to fill up your triangle. It means if we were going to break this up into squares and we counted all the whole squares and the half squares in that, it would take 24 squares to fill up that triangle. So to find the area of the entire trapezoid, you'll just do your 160 plus 24. Add those up. Oops, sorry. 184 is what I was going to get, but 0 plus 4 is, 4. 6 plus 2 is 8, and there's a 1. So it's 184 square units. And again, you need to go ahead and use your trapezoid, but it's a very similar problem. Hope that helped.